Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So we are doing the chapter matrices. Already you are familiar. We completed all the type of matrices, addition, subtraction, types of and symmetric, skew symmetric, elementary operations like that. Now in this video I am mixing all the type of examples. Try to solve that. So let us start with the examples. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A. Note down, this is a given condition. Then I plus A whole cube minus 7A is equal to, this is a multiple choice question. Answers are given here. First one is A, second one I minus A, next one is I, and the last one is 3A. So when you are solving a multiple choice question, first read the question carefully. If A is a square matrix and the condition is A square is equal to A and they are asking this value. So write down this value, whatever is they are asking, write down that. And here I plus A whole cube. When you saw that, you are remembering a formula A plus B whole cube. Apply that A plus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in the bracket A plus B minus 7E. So I cube is I. A cube I am writing as A square into A plus 3. I into A is what? I into A. Any matrix with identity gives the same matrix. So A remains. Please note down this, students. A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. That means any matrix with its inverse gives identity. Next one. A into I is equal to I into A is equal to A. Any matrix with identity gives the same matrix. A inverse into I is equal to I into A inverse is equal to A inverse. Please note down that. So I into A is A. In the bracket I plus A I kept as it is minus 7A. So here I as it is. What is A square? A square is A. Write down that. And this A I kept as it is. Here I am removing a bracket. 3A square minus 7A. I as it is. A square, A into A is A square. A square is A. So I am writing this. Note down this. A into A is A square. Instead of writing one more step, directly I am writing the answer. A into A is A square, but A square is A. And it is, what is A into I? A into I is A. And A square is A. Yes. So it is I. A plus 3A plus 3A, that is 7A minus 7A plus 7A minus 7A get cancels. This is I. So your answer is what? I. Understood? So now I am moving to the next question. This is also important question. If A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. See, the question they can convert in the multiple choice for a CET. So here, first read the question carefully. If A and B are a symmetric matrices, means indirectly what is given? A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to B. See here. A and B are symmetric matrices. That is, A transpose is A and B transpose is B. Now consider AB minus BA. Let us take C. C is equal to AB minus BA. And we have to show that it is a skew symmetric. What is the definition? We have to show that C transpose is minus C. This is the definition of skew symmetric. So take a transpose on both the sides. And middle minus, already we are familiar. A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. Apply that. After that, again for this also we have a property. AB whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose. Apply that. That means first we have to write the second matrix. And here A transpose into B transpose. But see here, what is A transpose and B transpose? A transpose is A, B transpose is B. Correct. When you compare these two results, see, it is BA minus AB, it is AB minus BA. If you take minus common, it will be AB minus BA. But what is AB minus BA? That is C. It is minus is outside, so minus C. C transpose is minus C. First only I told you, if you get C transpose is a minus C, that is nothing but C is a skew symmetric. Here what is C? C is nothing but AB minus BA. Then write down the last conclusion. The students are not writing the conclusion. That is important. After proving that, write down the last slide. There is no place. That's why I am writing here. This implies C is equal to AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. So is it clear? Now I am moving to the next example. Right one, next one. Show that the matrix B transpose A into B is symmetric or skew symmetric according as it is symmetric or skew symmetric. That means if B transpose into A into B is symmetric, then we have to prove that it is show that the matrix B transpose A into B is symmetric or skew symmetric according as it is a symmetric or skew symmetric. So according as A is symmetric. That means if A is symmetric, we have to prove that this is symmetric. In case A is skew symmetric, we have to prove that this is skew symmetric. Let us start the proof. Start with A is a symmetric. A is symmetric means what is given? A transpose is equal to A is given. Write down. We suppose, that means we are thinking, we are taking A is a symmetric matrix. That is A transpose is A. Let us take this as a equation 1. Now consider transpose of this, because we have to see that the transpose is again same. What is the symmetric definition? Symmetric definition is A transpose is A. Skew symmetric A transpose is minus A. So I am taking a transpose of this. And here, what is AB whole transpose? It is B transpose into A transpose. Have you remembered? So here I am writing one more grouping here. Yes, because the multiplication is associative. Now, for this, apply this property. And for this also again apply this. But what is B transpose of transpose? B. Understood? Now I am writing like this. But what is A transpose? A transpose is A. It is given. So it is B transpose A B. Even though you took the transpose, we got the same result. Same result means it shows that it is a symmetric matrix. Read on it. This implies if A is a symmetric matrix, then B transpose A into B is a symmetric matrix. Now in the next part I am starting with A is a skew symmetric matrix. Two questions are there. Now I will start. It is a skew symmetric matrix. Now we suppose that A is a skew symmetric matrix. Then what is that? It implies A transpose is minus A. Again consider B transpose A B whole transpose. This I am writing like this. And here which property we are applying? We are applying a property AB whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose. So again for this is B. But what is A transpose? A transpose is minus A. It is given. So this will be written like this. So we started with its transpose. We got the same result with opposite side. Then thus if A is a skew symmetric matrix, then B transpose A B is a skew symmetric matrix. Yes, understood? Therefore, then what is the result? If A is a symmetric, then B dash A B is a symmetric. If it is a skew symmetric, then the result is a skew symmetric. Is it clear or what? Now moving to the next example. See the next example, it is very interesting. Even they can ask these type of questions in the CET. Find the values of X, Y, Z if the matrix A is equal to 0, 2y, z x y minus z x minus y z satisfy the equation A transpose into A is equal to I. So what is given? A transpose into A is equal to I. So first I am writing a transpose of this. 0x x 2y y minus y z minus z z. Then I am writing A as it is. Are you remembered or what? What is the transpose? Transpose is nothing but interchanging all the row and columns. And I is what? Identity matrix. Here I am writing identity matrix of order 3. Why? Because the problem is, in the problem the matrix is given as order 3. Now multiply. As usual, multiplication of the matrices. First row is multiplied with first column. Then first row is multiplied with second column corresponding elements. Then first row with third column. Next, second row with first column. Second row with second column. Second row with third column. Then third row with first column. Then third row with second column. Then third row with third column. And right side, keep the unit matrix as it is. See here 2x square. This is plus xy minus xy get cancelled 0. Here also we are getting 0. This is 0. This is 0. Like that, see the next. This is 0 and this is 6y square. The next is 0. Next 0 0. This is 3z square. And right side identity matrix. Now equate the corresponding elements, because middle, in between the two matrices, middle we have a equal sign. Equate the corresponding elements on both the sides. This implies 2x square is 1. What is x square? 1 by 2. X is plus or minus 1 by root 2. Moving to the next. 6y square is also 1. Y square is 1 by 6. Y is plus or minus 1 by root 6. Next one. 3z square is 1. Z square is 1 by 3. Z is plus or minus 1 by root 3. And our question is what? Find the values of x, y, z. See, is it very simple or what? Next question. For what value of x 1 2 1 1 2 0 2 0 1 1 0 2 0 2 x is equal to 0. This is the question. That means we have to find the value of x. Indirectly they are giving like that. So when you are finding the value of x, what you are doing? We have to take the LHS as well as RHS. So write the LHS and RHS as it is. See, this order is what? The matrix of first matrix order is 1 by 3 and the second one is 3 by 3. When you multiply, your answer will be 1 by 3. First I am multiplying these two. First row with first column. 1 plus 4 plus 1. Then leave some place. First row with second column. Then leave some place. First row with third column. And this matrix as it is 0 to x is equal to 0. Now simplify. 6 to 4. So this matrix is of order 1 by 3. Now this is of order 1 by 3 and the second one is of order 3 by 1. That means after multiplication you will get 1 by 1. That means only one element. One row with one column. 0 plus 4 plus 4x. This is the matrix. This 0 I am writing in the form of matrix because you know that 0 matrix is denoted by 0. Now solve this. 4 plus 4x is equal to 0. 4x is minus 4. Then what is x? X is minus 1. Is it very simple or what? Next, moving to the next problem. If a 3 1 minus 1 2, show that a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. So in the solution, first what you are doing, we are multiplying a square, that is a into a. 3 1 minus 1 2. This is also 3 1 minus 1 2. Multiply this as usual. First row with first column. 9 minus 1. First row with second column. Middle we have to leave some place. 3 plus 2. Then second row with first column. Then second row with second column. Simplify this. 8 5 minus 5 3. Now write on the LHS. Consider a square minus 5a plus 7i. What is a square? 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 5 as it is. What is a? 3 1 minus 1 2 plus 7. I is identity matrix. We have to write it of order 2 because the given matrix is of order 2. Now keep the first matrix as it is. Here middle minus I kept as it is and I took 5 inside the matrix, means scalar multiplication. 15 5 minus 5 10, and then next scalar multiplication. Here it is multiplied with 7. See here only 3 matrices are there according to the sign. Take all the first elements. 8 minus 15 plus 7. Then take all the second elements. Like that for the second row. This minus into minus becomes plus. Next 3 minus 10 plus 7. Solve this. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So you will get a 0 matrix, that is 0. Is it RHS or what? That is RHS because the question is prove that a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. Moving to the next. So can you take this question as a assignment? Find x if x minus 5 minus 1 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3 and another matrix x4 1 is equal to 0. So this is a question, and a similar question I explained in this class, today's class only. So take this as an assignment. Next question. Find the matrix X so that this is the matrix, and you know that the matrix is denoted by capital letters. So this is a question. Here X they are asking what is the order of this matrix. This order is 2 by 3, and here to find X means its column should be 2. Its column should be 2. I am taking X as a 2 by 2 matrix. Let X is equal to A, B, C, D. Therefore, the given equation will be written as A, B, C, D, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I kept this as it is. Yes. Now on the left side multiply the matrices. First row with first column, A plus 4B, leave some place. First row with second column, 2A plus 5B. Next 3A plus 6B. Like that, go for the second column, second row with first column, C plus 4D, 2C plus 5D, 3 plus 6D. Is equal to -7, -8, -9, 2, 4, 6 by equating the corresponding elements. Elements on both the sides. What are the elements? See, first element is A plus 4B is equal to -7. Next, 2A plus 5B is equal to -8. 3A plus 6B is equal to -9. Like that, the next row. C plus 4D is equal to 2. 2C plus 5D is equal to 4. 3C plus 6D is equal to 6. Now they are just like a simultaneous equation. Solve this. This is I am taking equation 1 and this I am taking equation 2. By solving 1 and 2. So here no place, I am writing here. A plus 4B as -7, and exactly below I am writing 2A plus 5B is -8. But there is no cancellation, that's why I am multiplying the equation first with 2. Then it will be 2A plus 8B is equal to -14. Each element is multiplied with 2. The second one I kept as it is. And in a simultaneous equation, depending on the problem, either you go for addition or subtraction. When you are going for a subtraction, we have to change the sign. This is 3B, and -14 plus 8 is -6. Then what is B? B is -2. Write down these values in any one of the equation, either in equation 1 or in equation 2, you will get A value. From 1 A plus 4B is equal to minus 7. Write down that B value. A minus 8 is equal to minus 7 implies A is equal to minus 7 plus 8. That is A is equal to 1. Now we got A and B value. Moving to the calculating C and D. From equation third and fourth, I am taking third as C plus 4D is equal to 2 and fourth as 2C plus 5D is equal to 4. So again here this I am multiplying with 2. 2C plus 8D is equal to 4. It is 2C plus 5D is equal to 4. So here also I am changing the sign. 3D is equal to 0. What is D? D is 0. 3 plus 4 is equal to 2. 2C plus 5D is equal to 4. Then write down that D value in any one of the equation. C plus 4D is equal to 2. C plus 0 is equal to 2. C is 2. Therefore, the matrix X is A, B, C, D. What is A value? A is 1. B is minus 2. C is 2 and D is 0. Understood? This is how we are finding the matrix X. Now student, tell me how is the chapter matrices? See, is it simple or what? Now in the next class, I will give you the next chapter, that is determinants.